Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Training. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Create a form using the form tool based on the customer table. And then change the width of the customer ID field to about the half of the current. Here you can see I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam.
With the customers table
Create
selected,
form
drag the right edge of the text
and
box containing
drag the right edge of the
C0001 to the left until the text box is about half the current size. Double-click the title control. Select the title Customers.
Okay, now you can see here I am going to complete this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Create a split form based on the customer table. And change the title. Split view and press enter. Create a Create a multiple item form based on the product table. And the title of the products multiple item. Create a form using the form tool based on the order table. Okay, and then press delete. Click the border and in the layout view, click the border of the subform and select it based on the table in the layout view. Click the border of the subform to select it in the Here you can see I am going to complete this one.
In layout,
I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Create a form using the form with order table. Create a navigation form with a horizontal tab layout. Create a navigation form with horizontal tab layouts. Drag the customer information form, then order form in the customer information form, then order. Now I am going to do this one according to the instruction.
Drag the orders form from the navigation.
Okay, here you can see I am going to add first customer information form and second order form. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. If you need institution of any Microsoft class, I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I did this project before many times for many students and deliver quality grades for them. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes.
On the navigation bar, click the On the navigation bar, click the next. On the navigation bar, click the next record. On the navigation bar, click the next record button again.
Just record
Click
and
the
customer.
customer. Select the existing contact name, Adam Sanchez, and then type Lucas Duda. On the navigation bar, click the Customers tab.
Okay. In the bottom portion of the separate form, select the logo customer sales. Okay.
In the bottom
Here you
portion of
can
the split
see.
form, select the sixth record, Lugo Computer Sales. In the top portion of the
Then
form,
type
select the existing email address and then type service@lugocomputer.net.
service computer logo. I have completed this question. Now I'm going to move up and next question. Reduce the height of the fish that are only torque on the needed using the P0001. Delete the cost and markup percentage column. Now you can see here I'm going to complete the question number 3 now. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email if you need instruction of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality guide for you.
Point to the bottom edge of product ID P0001 until the pointer shape changes to a double-headed arrow. Drag. Click in the first
And
cell of the cost column, and then
first
click
in
the
the
Form
cost.
Layout tool. Click in the first.
Here you can see I'm going to solve this one.
Point to the bottom edge of product ID P. Click. Point to the bottom edge of product ID P0001 until the pointer shape changes to a double-headed arrow. Click Select Column in the
And then change the label for the refrigeration needed to refresh. Here you can see I'm going to complete this one.
Percent columns by selecting each column and then pressing delete. To save some space, you assign the label with a shorter name and resize the column to use less space.
Change the layout of the sales rep form to the tabular. Here you can see change the layout of the sales rep form to tabular. Here you can see I'm going to change the layout of the
Click
sales
the
rep
Form Layout Tools form.
format.
Click the Form Layout. On the Form Layout Tools Arrange tab, in the Table group, click
Switch the layout to stack and then display the form in the form view. Switch to layout to
on the
stacked and
status
then
bar, click
here you can see display the sales rep form in the layout view. Change the shape fill color of the first sales rep ID text box.
click on the Form Layout.
Here you can see open the customer information form in form view, the customer or customer ID order. Okay, open the customer information form in the form view. Here you can see open the customer information form in form view. Open the customer information form in form view, the customer or in customer ID order. Open the customer information form in form view. Use the next record button to display. Sort the customer name field in descending order. Customer name field. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Create a new report based on the product table using the report tools. Change report tools. Using the product table, and then change the title of the report, product report, products report. Press enter, and layout view, change the report to landscape. And you want to change landscape view. And press layout view, change the report to the landscape orientation. I have done to create a new report based on the revenue query. Report wizard. And select the city, order date, price. City, order date, select the city, price, revenue. Price, revenue, okay. Product name field in the order. Order, okay. Add grouping by city. Display, okay. Ascending order. Cities order. Add grouping by city and sort the order data ascending order. And order date in ascending order. Display the summary option, display the average of the price field. Type sales by city. I have completed this one. Here you can see print preview the product report. I am going to file, here you can see print preview the products report.
With the product, click Print.
Here you can see I am going to complete this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exams. Save the product report as a PDF document. So, save the product report as a PDF document using the option found. Here you can see
Click P in the
I have completed this one. Here you can see now I'm going to solve the last question of this project. With the product report open in the layout view, add the on-hand field on the report between the cost and markup percent field. Here you can see. Here you can see today I am going to solve Access Chapter 4 simulation training. If you need the solution of this project, you can add existing field on hand. Here you can see with the product report open in layout view,
click Add existing
field.
fields in the tools
Now
menu
I'm
on
going
the
to add
report
existing
layout.
field at the on hand field.
Click Add Drag.
Here you can see I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Data with Access. Okay, now you can see here I am going to complete with the product report open.
Scroll to the right. Select the year introduced text box in the detail section of the report, and then click the Report Layout Tools Arrange tab. Click
Here you can see I am going to submit this now. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. With the product report open in layout view, add a grouping label to report. That's okay.
Click
Group and sort.
in the Group Sort and
Add a group. Brand. Okay. Group and sort. Add a group. Sort the date by brand. Here you can see I am going to sort the date by brand.
in the group in the list of fields.
Okay, now you can see here I am going to sort the date by brand. I have completed this one. If you need the solution of any Microsoft project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Okay, thank you so much.